Creating your first WhatsApp broadcast campaign sounds simple until you actually open the broadcast screen. What do you create first? Which contact do you select? How do you add the message? And once everything is ready, what to do next? So instead of explaining WhatsApp broadcast with theory, in this video we are going to create our very first WhatsApp broadcast campaign step by step. I'll start from the scratch and show you exactly how the complete setup works using Pabbly Chatflow. So by the end of this tutorial, you won't just know what a WhatsApp broadcast campaign is, you'll know how to set up your own. And you know what is the best part? That you can also create this amazing WhatsApp broadcast campaign along with me by using Pabbly Chatflow free trial. So without wasting any more time, let's create it. Alright, if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and it will take you to the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. It is perfect tool for creating a broadcast campaign. Once you reach this page, you simply need to do the sign up process and create your account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. I am an existing user of Pabbly, so I'll click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow where you have to come in this broadcast feature. And this page is going to be appear in front of you. See, this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow, by the help of which you can easily send promotional messages, announcement, updates directly to your customers on WhatsApp without getting your number banned. And you know what's even more interesting? That you can send a personalized message, means the message will include the specific customer's name without manually creating the same message again and again for the different customers. See, this is one of the best features that I have used for creating a broadcast campaign, and I'll also recommend you to try this feature for creating your first WhatsApp broadcast campaign. See, I have already created some campaigns before for the different use cases. For creating a new broadcast campaign, you need to click on this plus add broadcast button. Here at first, you need to select the broadcast type that I am selecting as broadcast campaign. After that, enter the name of the broadcast here. I'll give it as my first broadcast. After that, you need to select the audience, means the customer which you want to send the broadcast message. It will provide you two options as choose existing contact list and upload a CSV file. For uploading a CSV file, you can select this option. Now, what is CSV file? See, CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format. I'll show you how it will look like. See, this is the file where I added my customer's first name, last name, and phone number. And look at this. This is in the simplest format. For creating a CSV file, you can use Excel or Google Sheets. Here I have added my customer data inside Google Sheets. After adding it, you need to download the file in a CSV format because only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So this is how interesting this single tool is. For uploading a CSV file, you need to click on this option, click on this add new file and upload the file from your gallery. Here I have uploaded. Next, you need to select the same file from here and click on this insert button. After that, just simply scroll down and click on this import and use contacts button. And that's how easily you can upload a CSV file of your own contacts while creating the broadcast campaign inside Pabbly Chatflow. Here I am selecting the audience mode as choose existing contact list and selecting the contact list from here. See, I have already created this leads list before. Now for creating a contact list, you need to go inside the contacts feature that are present on the left hand side. After that, just click on this plus option. See, I have already created multiple contact list before, and this is the leads list that I am using right now for the testing purpose. After that, the refine audience. See, if you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contact that you don't want to receive your broadcast message, then you can select that contact from this drop down. After that, you can enable this toggle to skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive the broadcast message again. Now comes to the most important part of creating a broadcast campaign, where you need to select the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting the message type from here and enter the content in this field, but regular message can only be sent if the 24-hour conversation window is active. Means the customer has already messaged you on your WhatsApp within the last 24 hours. If the 24-hour window is not active, then you are not able to send the regular message. For that case, you need to use the pre-approved template message for starting a new conversation. After selecting the message type as pre-approved template message, you need to click on the select WhatsApp template button and choose the template from here. See, I have already created this template before by the name of product message. Now in this body field, I'm going to enter a dollar symbol name. See, automatically with the help of this dollar symbol, in place of this variable name, the specific customer name will come based on the sheet that I have uploaded. As you can see that inside the broadcast message, it includes my name as a Riya Sahu after this hi. So it is only made possible with the help of this dollar symbol that I have used in front of this name field. After that, I want to upload one catalog of the product. So for that, I'm clicking on this option and selecting this file from here. You can also add a new file if you want to. See, this is the final look of the template that is going to be delivered to your customers. After that, I'll click on this done button and you will see. Now for creating these types of attractive templates, you need to go inside this templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow, as everything is present in this single tool. Alright, so this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. These are the predefined messages used for easy access and scale communication. For creating a template, you need to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. You can create multiple types of templates based on your different type of use cases, add images, documents, links, buttons, and much more inside your templates. These are approved by Meta and they followed all the WhatsApp guidelines. I have already created multiple templates before, and this is the product message template that we are using in this tutorial. And inside this template, you will see I have used the variable called name and added two curly brackets at the beginning and the ending of this variable. Automatically in this place and with the help of dollar symbol, specific customer name will come. So that's how it works. After selecting the template, I'm going to test this broadcast. So for that, I'm entering the contact name as test user here and my number in this field, just only for the testing purpose. See, after entering my number in this field, I'll click on the send test message button and you will see it says that test broadcast sent. Now let's check my WhatsApp to see whether we have received the message or not, and you will see I automatically receives the message on my WhatsApp, and this is the exact same template message that we have selected here. It also includes my name as a test user after this hi, along with the product catalog document. So that's how it works. As we have successfully received the template message in our WhatsApp, this means that till now our broadcast campaign is working perfectly. Next, you need to schedule the broadcast. See, if you want to send this template to all of your contacts immediately, then you will select this option and click on this plus sign broadcast button. But I'm going to schedule this campaign for later. So for that, I'm selecting this option. And let's say I want to schedule this broadcast on 28th of August at 11 a.m. See, on 28/8/2026 at 11 a.m., this message is going to be sent to all of my contacts that are present inside this list. Next, we have automatic retry of failed contacts option. See, if a message fails to reach any contact for some temporary reason, Pabbly Chatflow can automatically try sending it again. So you don't have to manually identify and resend messages to failed contacts. You can simply enable this toggle and let the broadcast retry those failed contacts automatically. This helps improve the chances of your campaign reaching more of your selected contacts. Here I am selecting the number of retry as 1 and the wait between retry as 12 hours. hours. After that, I'll click on this plus add broadcast button. And that's it. Your first WhatsApp broadcast campaign is successfully scheduled. So this is how easy it is. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button and export the report from here. And you will successfully see our campaign is scheduled on the 28th of August at 11 a.m. exactly same that we have selected. So whether you want to promote a product, offers, announcement, promotions, updates or anything else, this is one of the best way to reach your customers at scale. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing WhatsApp broadcast campaign for your own businesses too. If you like this tool and you also want to create this type of campaign for your own business, then go and purchase its subscription plan by using my coupon code MEHYT during checkout to get a high discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. And as I said, this is just one example. By following the same process, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp broadcast campaign based on your different type of business use cases. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.